Alright guys, I'm over here in Ayutthaya. I'm at what they call the new temple. And I found a new little friend right here. Chu Arai? His name is Hang, and he's over here. He lives near this temple, so he's over here playing among the temple grounds. And he just wanted to know what I was doing. So I told him he can be on YouTube if he wants. So anyway, I'm at the new temple. I'm at Wat Mai Khlong Sra Bua. And it's also just known as Wat Mai, which is the new temple. And Khlong means canal, and Sara Bua means like a water lily. So anyway, this temple is just across the Lopburi River from the main part of Ayutthaya. So you're just basically a stone throw away from the Grand Palace and a couple of the other temples that are on the island of Ayutthaya itself. So anyway, we're gonna walk around, we're gonna explore this little ruin and see what it looks like. And Hong, he's wanting to be on the camera. So anyway, let me show you around. So here's the main building. How cool is that looking? So my little buddy Hank says I can walk all around here in the ruins that I want to, right? Pasa Angrit, my pud. He cannot speak any English. It's pretty fun. He's a nice little boy. Anyway, he lives just right over there, and he said we can walk all around that we want to. All right. So Hang, he wants to be my cameraman, so he wants to film some things. Go. Bye. Yeah, bye. Yeah. Real. Okay, go. So he's filming all this here for me. He's doing a really good job. Okay, so in this is the main hall here. So they have the Buddha, as you can see up here. And there's no roof on this building, so it's fallen off. So you can see the brickwork and all of that. Come on, Hank. Money. So this is a pretty big room. Not sure how big it is, but you would have came in, the Buddha images would have been facing the canal, facing the Grand Palace. So this is the main prayer hall. Oh! Come to Ayutthaya. Money. Ayutthaya. Parang Mani Ayutthaya. Say that. Say come see me. Can you say? Pasa Thai. Say. Parang Bye Tiao Ayutthaya. Come on, say. No? Okay. So here is the main prayer hall. And check that out with the tree growing right there on the front. No, my die. Yeah, Hang, he wants to really help me. He's got spoiled with doing a little bit of recording. So here's the outer perimeter wall. So this was a pretty big site. And then over here is some of the chetties. And you can see this is definitely built in the Ayutthaya style. So right in the middle, you can see it's kind of bowed. Looks like a Chinese junk, like many of the temples. And then you can still see quite a bit of the plaster work. Check that out, that is really nice. So this would have been beautiful on the outside. And you can still see how it is around the doorway. Wow, that's still really in good shape for as old as it is. That is nice. No, my die. And then you can see above the door here also. So that would have been quite a bit of work. And then inside this building. There's a data plate outside, so hopefully it'll say something. I'll tell you about what it says here in a sec. So people would have been able to come in, and you can see how close it is to the river. And then right across there, you can see those cars. That is on the island of Ayutthaya. So you're just a stone throw, and that little wall that you see, that's the former Grand Palace of Ayutthaya. Okay, so this is the Ubisot, or the ordination hall. and it's 8.7 meters by 24.5 meters. And it talks about the delicate design that's around those windows. That is really a nice building. And then over here we got a little bit more of the ruins. And you can see they have this chetty wrapped with the gold cloth. So it looks like there was 3 chetties here, and it would have been 3 on the other side. And then is this a bell tower or is it a moon drop? Let's take a look at it. Okay, so little hang, he's climbing all around it. This is the bell tower. So it's what they call the Belfry. It's in the spire shape of a stupa, and it stands on a square foundation. You can see the foundation down here. And you can climb up those stairs right there to go up there to ring the bell. And then it has a lotus shape gap in the wall right there. Still really nice. You can see they had kind of at the very top up there had like the little stupas, like the Mon shaped stupas. Yeah, this is pretty nice. And there's Hang climbing on it again. Yeah, you can see the plaster work all up at the top. Yeah, that's really nice. So there's not a whole lot more left to this ruin. You can see the perimeter wall, and then they have houses all around. And then the highlight of it is that central building over there, and then this bell tower is quite nice also. So right here is the canal, and you can see, so if you took the river cruise, you come right down this, and you can see this temple right from the river. And then right over there, that is the former Grand Palace. You can see part of the old city wall. So yeah, they have some nice houses and stuff all around here. People with their gardens doing all their things. And Hang, if you come here, you can see him. He will be happy to entertain you while you're here. All right, guys, so that finishes up our tour of the new temple. It's pretty cool. It's definitely worth a look. It's not a big temple, but what is here is in really good shape. And it's just right across the canal or the river from the main part of Ayutthaya. So if you have a little bit of time, you could ride a bike over here or a motorcycle, or have one of the tuk-tuks bring you over. It's worth about 15-20 minutes of your time just kind of wandering around and looking. So if you enjoyed it, make sure you click like and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends if you want. What? Okay. All right, wait. So anyway, subscribe and share it with your friends if you want. And leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about this temple. It's pretty cool. I like it. So definitely worth the free admission to come. And make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And remember, guys, as always, life is a journey. So enjoy.